Rituals to be performed in Telugu marriage. Intricacy and uniqueness are the substances of Indian weddings. India is a nation with assorted societies and customs, and the rich social legacy of Andhra Pradesh is reflected in the way a wedding service is performed there. A decent number of ceremonies and traditions are included in a Telugu wedding. Each of the ceremony has religious hugeness and bears association with each other. They are partitioned into 3 gatherings: pre-wedding, wedding, and post-wedding customs. The planning begins as soon as the day of wedding is decided. The groups of the both lady and man of the hour choose the muhurtham by approaching a minister. Along these lines, the wedding arrangements initiate. The lady and the man of the hour and their guardians perform numerous customs with their companions and relatives additionally going with them. Numerous Telugu families take the endowments of their family divinity by performing a puja before beginning the wedding arrangements to avert any bother amid the service. Pre-wedding customs. Muhurtham. The family soothsayers or minister picks the ideal date and time for the wedding service. This is known as Muhurtham. Pendlikothuru. This custom is performed in the individual homes of the impending marrying couple. Haldi and oil is connected on the substance of the lady and the man of the hour for gleaming skin. Both the spouse and the lucky man put on new dress subsequent to washing up. The lady looks flawless with blossoms embellishing her hair. Snathakam. The day preceding wedding, the man of hour wears a silver string on his body. This custom is called Snathakam. Kashi Yatra. A man of hour presents the Vedic verses and afterwards act that he is not inspired by common joy, and after that claims to leave for Kashi. The spouse's siblings try to persuade the man of the hour to assume the liability of his sister. Wedding customs. Mangal Snanam upon the arrival of wedding. The lady and the man of hour wash up to plan for performing the sacrosanct ceremonies. Aarti and Ganesh and Govari Puja. Aarti is performed so that the forthcoming marrying couple can proceed in their marriage existence with bliss. Ganesh and Gauri Puja is performed at the wedding venue a couple of hours before the wedding. Kanyadan. The lady's dad hands over the obligation of a girl to the husband-to-be. This service is called Kanyadan. The spouse's maternal uncle takes her to the mandap. The couple cannot trade looks until Kanyadan is finished. A blind is put between them. After that, the lady's guardians wash the groom's feet. Jilakara Belamu and Madhuparkam. A paste of cumin seeds and jaggery is readied, and the couple applies this paste to one another's hand. This intriguing custom is called Jilakara Belamu, which symbolizes the solid relationship between the couple. The shading white stands for virtue and red incense quality, and these are reflected in the custom Madhuparkam. The spouse wears a white sari decorated with red fringe, and then again the man of hour puts on a white dhoti having a red outskirt. Sumangali. A wedded lady is known as Sumangali in Andhra Pradesh. Sumangali is an essential custom of a Telugu wedding. The spouse performs this custom with 10 Sumangalis. 6 Sumangalis hold plates that contain a blend of rice and haldi powder, and 4 Sumangalis hold little lights. Rice is typical of prosperity, while the lights stand for trust. Mangal Sutra and Kanyadan Akshata. The drape is put between lady and the man of the hour is lifted so that the lucky man can tie 2 strings of Mangal Sutra around the spouse's neck. From that point, the couple trade laurels as a component of the Kanyadan Akshata function. The sprinkling of bloom petals while they trade festoon upgrades the excellence of the service. The couple takes gift of their older folks. Sthali Pakkam and Shaptapadi. It is the 7 phrases that a lady and the man of the hour together take around the heavenly fire. After the culmination of this custom, the lady's feet are enchanted with staggering silver toe rings by the man of the hour. Post-wedding ceremonies, the spouse abandons her guardian's home and ventures in her in-laws' home with her spouse. Her in-laws are different individuals from the family, give her a warm welcome. Graha Pravesh of spouse is performed terrifically, with the groom's nearby relatives going with his mom in this custom. This is trailed by the custom of uniting the two strings of Mangal Sutra. This custom is performed inside of 16 days after the wedding.